refined, robust. Ready for anything. Committee. This is the Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamic Automatic. A striking premium SUV with just 55,493 miles, and a full Land Rover online service history. Finished in head-turning red, it blends dynamic design with everyday luxury. From heated leather sports seats to a Meridian sound system, this Evoque is built to impress. The cabin features an 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, and USB, while exterior touches like Xenon headlamps, dual exhausts, and body-colored bumpers complete the look. Under the bonnet, a powerful 190 brake horsepower, 2.2-liter SD4 diesel engine pairs with a smooth 6-speed automatic gearbox and permanent 4-wheel drive. It offers confident control, responsive acceleration, and intelligent terrain response, perfect for everything from city commutes to country adventures. Meticulously maintained by its 3 previous owners, this Evoque is clean, refined, and ready for its next chapter. Finance options are available, pre-approved finance checks on our website. All our vehicles come with a service, a 12-month MOT, 6 months nationwide warranty, with extended warranties available, and free 12 months breakdown cover as part of our AA dealer promise agreement, ensuring ongoing roadworthiness and safety. Please don't hesitate to contact us by phone on 014248 70651 or email us for more information.